iFinance is an organization that started 9 years back. We focused on providing working capital loans to excluded micro enterprises. When CGAP came in and we did some analysis of our portfolio, we found that there were only 16% of our loans which had been given to women who led businesses. Now that was a shocking number for us. We thought we should be doing a lot better.
If you want to increase that number, you'll definitely need a more gender-focused approach because there are these women who are being left out.
जब तक नहीं लिया था तब तक डर लगता था, पर अब नहीं लगता कि
कारोबार बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं.
Women find it tougher to raise funds from formal lending channels. One of the most important aspects was to create underwriting guidelines that would address the challenge of her having a smaller size of business, having a more younger business, and having a smaller requirement for a loan as compared to her male counterpart.
भी ये थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए काम भी तो ऐसा तो हो कि भाई हाँ बच्चों का भी खर्चा निकले, पढ़ाई का हमारा.
I have been in banking over 25 years and I've never seen a problem as complex and as difficult to get your hands around as this. So we, with the help of CGAP, did a survey to find out what is the best way to meet their needs. And we went about designing not only our product but the delivery mechanism around that.
Just the product will not solve that problem. It'll have to be an entire customer journey that we'll have to customize to ensure we make it easy for her to take a loan.
I thought that women would say that we would like to be approached by women employees, and most of them said, no, it doesn't matter.
We did gender sensitization trainings with our field teams. Women are more risk averse because when they take on a loan, they think they're taking on a liability for their entire family. But when a man takes on a loan, he's taking it to run and grow his business.
Women need a lot of trust to be built upfront.
We've created a specialized customer service cell for them so they're able to reach out and speak to someone they feel more comfortable with.
चीज़ ये होती है रिस्क तो लेना चाहती हैं लेकिन वो घबराती हैं.
मैकिंग पावर कम होती है इनके पास.
Women have proven to be very good entrepreneurs, lower credit risk.
रिपेमेंट अच्छा है, जो मेल के मुकाबले फीमेल का रिपेमेंट अच्छा है. ये जिम्मेदारी से ज़्यादा समझती है मेल के मुकाबले.
With that hypothesis, we can look at easier ways of providing credit to women, not insisting on all the documentation.
1 लाख का हमने लोन लिया और हमने 2 मशीनें ली उसमें खरीदी और क्या नाम से कारोबार बढ़ाया आपने.
We christened the loan Shakti loan. Shakti means power, strength, and we wanted to give that positive connotation to that product's name so that she perceives that she's going to bring that power into that business that she runs.
पर यही है कि हाँ काम हमारा और अच्छा बढ़े और अच्छा चले. सोचते तो ऐसे ही है कि हाँ इतना ज़्यादा बिजनेस में बढ़ा है कि और लोग भी मेरे पास काम करें, फैमिली के अलावा भी और काम करें.
Women have been excluded from working capital loans for decades. So it's not that they will suddenly warm up to that product. But I believe that we made a good start. And I think in the coming years, we will see this number climb up rapidly. So it's not just sort of doing social good, but we also think that it makes commercial sense.
इसमें कारीगर का ही काम होता है. फिर हम जब अपना कारोबार करेंगे ना तो हम ऐसे ही मतलब लगाएंगे कारीगर.
It is absolutely a big business opportunity for us. By the end of next year, we should be able to open it for all of our 395 branches and ensure that we bring a larger number of women micro-entrepreneurs into the field of formal lending.
I would like iFinance to not only be one of the leading fund providers to the segment, but also to bring in a wholesome development. Women entrepreneurs definitely play a strong role in that vision.
भाई यही सोचते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे भी मतलब अच्छे पढ़ें लिखें और अच्छे मतलब कामयाब औरों की भी सहायता करें.
तय कहते हैं कि हम अपना काम ही करेंगे, बाहर काम नहीं करने.
It needs a lot of time, lots of patience and lots of diligence. This is the start of the journey.
बच्चे मेरे खुद ही अपने आप ही कहते हैं कि मम्मी हम तो, कोई कहता है मैं टीचर बनूं, कोई कहता है मैं मतलब फौजी बनूं, कोई मैं पुलिस में बनूं. बच्चों की हमारी कुछ सोच है, हम कुछ चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे जो सोचते हैं वो पूरा होगा.